This camper van I have in front of me is the Avanti L from La Strada. It's a 6-meter camper van on a Fiat Ducato basis. Let's have a look inside. So, you want the price? It's 92,000 euros. Well, it's just over that in fact. And but it is sort of a traditional Fiat Ducato. Mind you, La Strada does a very nice line. This is like the upper class camper vans. I need to point out that this carpet is only here for the trade fair, but if you ask them, I'm sure they would give it to you if you spent in excess of 92,000 euros on the vehicle. It's got storage all the way around and a widthwise bed. In here we've got this wonderful large toilet, bed and bathroom, a shower. Bear in mind that this vehicle is only 6 meters in length, or less than, in fact, well, 1 centimeter less than. Look how big this shower is. Absolutely amazing, in my opinion. Right, that's a really good sign. This isn't such a good thing though. I don't mind it not being deep, but I do not like having a tiny drainage hole in the sink. 2 burners in here, which, to be quite honest, is probably about as realistic as it's going to get in something like this. There's also a stack of storage under the vehicle as well. So let's have a look at it from the rear, and so you can see lots of storage under the vehicle. We've got the gas cabinet there. This bit here can actually lift it up, and you can get more stuff in there should you so require. So there you have it, the Avanti from La Strada, and I've done this video in well under 3 minutes, which is what I was trying to do. So if you find this of interest, I upload every day at 21:15 and sometimes at other times as well. What you get from me are unbiased accounts, and this is the largest RV channel on YouTube, and hopefully that's because I do give unbiased accounts. There will be a longer video of this. A link will appear below in the description, but for the moment, thanks for watching and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.